Here the defendant was somewhat reclusive. His behavior was getting stranger in the days and months leading up to the crimes. The court must consider the viciousness or aggravated nature of the crime. Here it was extremely vicious. It was attacking victims while they slept in their beds in a most vulnerable state. The court must also consider the degree of the defendant's culpability. Here there is very little culpability. There's some victim blaming, some medication blaming, but very little remorse is being shown. The court must also consider the age and health of the defendant. He's 28 years old and in relatively good health. His education is college educated. Employment history is somewhat difficulty holding down a job. The rights of the public as well as the family need to be considered here, and they certainly have been through great difficulty over the past several years. That being the family has been through what no family would ever want to endure. That is the greatest importance, is protecting the public as well as the family in this particular instance. The court weighs heavily the opinions of the family members in this case. All things being considered, Mr. Metzig, you are hereby sentenced to life in the Wisconsin State Prison System as to count 1 with no possibility of parole. It will be the same sentence as to count 2, and both sentences will be consecutive to each other. There is no eligibility for the substance abuse program or the challenge incarceration program. Because of this conviction, you may not vote, and it is unlawful for you to possess a firearm or body armor. You do have the right to seek post-conviction relief. A notice of intent will need to be filed within 20 days. You also need to pay all court costs associated with this case. As to the restitution request,
You can file a restitution request to cover relief, some attorney's costs and funeral costs, so that as stipulates.
is the restitution being objected to?
No challenge to the restitution.
So the restitution request in document 143 will be ordered as well. Is there pre-sentence credit amount that needs to be reflected? So that will be reflected on the judgment of conviction as well. Is there anything further from the state?
No, thank you.
Anything further from defense?
No, thank you.
And we are concluded on that matter.